Hey, 7th grade. Sorry you can't see me right now. For some reason my webcam is acting up. But I did want to go through real quick and record this lesson. This is for the core kids and then also for any of you who were hybrid today, so you were at home. And for some reason you couldn't log in or you missed the lesson for any reason. I just wanted to kind of have it up here on Canvas for you. So today we kind of went over just some basic, how to behave when we are doing learning via core, or you're virtual that day because you're on the hybrid schedule. Just being respectful to others. If I open up everybody's mics on a Zoom call, just kind of waiting your turn, not everybody talking all at the same time. Make sure you're aware of what's going on in your background of your video, because you don't want anything embarrassing to get out there, or you don't want anything up there that's going to get you in trouble. Okay, make sure that it's school appropriate. Same thing, whatever's coming over your microphone, make sure it's school appropriate, whether it's something you're saying or something you're playing. Show up obviously on time, ready to learn, but I understand that sometimes doctor's appointments come up, or sometimes the Zoom link doesn't work, or your password's being dumb. So always email me if something comes up and I can help you out. And then I'm going to try to record as many of these lessons as possible too, so you can go back and watch them. Okay? Just making sure that we are still making sure that we're using kind words and kind faces, and that we are not being rude or disrespectful when we're on the Zoom calls or online posting anything. Just make sure it's school appropriate. You guys are 7th grade, you know what that means. You had a lot of experience with virtual learning last year, and so I trust that you guys are going to do a really good job at this. Okay. The next thing I wanted to show everybody was my Canvas page. So if you go to the student portal on the school district website, and if you ever have any password issues, you can always click on this. This will teach you how to change your password from home. And then also if your teacher gives you a temporary password and you need to make a new one, this link right here is where you'll go do that. Okay. But if we go down here to Canvas and we get logged in, it will take you to kind of your dashboard. You're going to click on World History. And it should look something like this. I'm going to go to Student View so it looks like what you're doing. If you scroll down to the bottom where it says Modules, click on that. If you ever had technical issues with Canvas, you can always click on the Help page. It's always going to be up there. I have an agenda for the week. It will always be up here, and I'll update it every week. It's got my email on it, also what we're going to learn, and different assignments for each day. So if you miss a day and you're not sure, check out the agenda. If I go back, you'll see there's also a links, notes and links page. This is where I'm going to post this video, but it also has the Zoom link for the live lessons. It's got the study guide for the whole unit, so you can start getting ready for the test. We're going to go through some Nearpods, so it has the links to the Nearpods that we're going to do shortly here. So that's where anything helpful, notes, links, lessons will all be there. And then assignments. So if you click on the assignments, if you are enrolled in hybrid, I do also have paper copies of a lot of the assignments. So if you just need to catch up and your internet was being weird for a day, when I see you in person, just say, hey, can I get a copy of this? And I'll make sure I get it to you. But everything else, every assignment can also be done virtually. So you don't have to wait around till you see me. In fact, some things I'm kind of expecting that you'll log on to virtually. For example, today there's an About Me quiz. So you can click on this. Just because we have the separation and we're doing core and we're doing hybrid, I wanted to take some time to get to know you guys a little bit better. So just some questions to answer to help me get to know you and what you're interested in. If you want to ask me any of these questions next time you see me or shoot me an email, that's fine too. I'm an open book. I'd never ask you guys a question I wouldn't answer myself. Then submit that and you'll get some quick, easy points for your grade book. If we go back, the second thing is a time capsule. So again, this is kind of get to know you activity. You type in your name. Make sure you do your first and last name, or at least first name, last initial, because otherwise I won't know who to give the points to. Here's one I was editing earlier. You see you can kind of type in here. Okay. These are some of my favorite things. I love burritos. Favorite color is blue. I love history. Birthday is 9/3. None of your business. Okay. You can put a little picture over here if you want. If you want to just draw, that's fine. There's little drawing tabs. You can put text. You can add a text box to add things. You can put a picture in there. So you can play around with this a little bit, and it saves automatically. So it will just send me your work when you're done. Okay, so don't want to worry about pressing submit or logging out or anything. It'll just save it. So yeah, just work on this time capsule that I'm actually going to give back to you at the end of the year, and you get to see some of your old answers. Just work on this time capsule. Work on this About Me quiz, and that's really all that we did today. If you missed anything, I'll be posting another one of these videos tomorrow. In case you can't make it to the live lessons, then you can get caught up on what we're doing tomorrow as well. As always, my email's at the top of the Canvas page. It's also on the school website. Look me up if you have any questions or need anything. All right, folks, I will talk to you later.